Hello, this is a tutorial on how to replace light bulbs inside these interior lights in Skoda Fabia III. First of all, you need to put these lights into an on position, not off, not the middle one, but on. The reason behind it is that this transparent plastic will block the access to a metal pin that prevents this light to pop out. So place it into on position, then take a flathead screwdriver and put it in here and gently push, and the light will pop out. I don't know why you are supposed to have it in on position. It's beyond my understanding. That's just German engineering, I guess. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.